Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a landing page on card.co. So first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for card.co. Okay, so tap it right here, card.co, and you'd be directed to this website. So first, what is card? So you can build one-page sites for pretty much anything. So whether it's personal profile, a landing page to capture emails, or something a bit more elaborate, so card has you covered. It is simple, responsive, and yeah, totally free. So you can start with one of the dozens of templates or a blank page and make it your own. So all of the template that you can find here are responsive. So look great at every screen size right out of the box, from phones to tablets to your desktop. And of course, it is free. So build up to 3 sites per account and use Olive Guard's core features for free. Okay, and then if you want to go to pro, this one is optional. So you can upgrade your card experience with just $19 every year. So included in the pro, you have custom domains, more sites, forms, widgets and embeds, Google Analytics, and no branding. So yeah, let's start creating our landing page. So just choose a starting point. So tap on this one. All right, and we have here all of the templates. So we have our profile, our landing pages, form, portfolio, or a section page. So now let's just focus on the landing page. All right, so here we have this label at the top right of every template. So we have premium and template that doesn't have labels. So it means that you can actually use them for free. So I'm just going to use the free ones. For example, this one. So let's try the demo first. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so if you have your buttons right here, your emails, then you just have to, connect your email. Okay, so if you think this template is good for your one page landing page, so just simply tap on the select option that you can find at the top right of your screen. Okay, and then after that, you're now good to go to customize this landing page. Okay, so let's start with the background. So first, I'm going to show you the purpose of this icons that we can find at the top. Okay, so let me just show you the labels. So for the 3 horizontal lines that you can find here, this is for the more actions button. And then for this one, so it means that you can publish your site, or you can also press the shift plus click to quick publish. Okay, and for this one, this is for you to switch to mobile view, and for this one to preview your animations, and this one to redo your next action and to undo your previous action, and for this one to add elements, text, images, and etc. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start with our background. So right here, just tap on your background, and then this section will automatically open. So for the style, we have 5 different styles. We have the color, the gradient, the image, the video, and the slideshow. So if you want to use the slideshow or the video, you have to upgrade your plan to the pro plan. Okay, so here I'm just going to select the color first. So for the color, you can choose what kind of color you want to use. For example, this one right here. Okay, so just have to drag your color. And then if you would like to, use gradient color, you just have to go here, and then you just have to choose your color combination. Okay, and for your image, so you can upload or pick from your library. So for example, we are going to pick from our library, right? And I am going to use this one. Okay, and then I just have to go here if you want to make some changes. Okay, so we also have here the other settings for your background, and then for your animation. Okay, so what kind of animation do you want to use for your background? For example, wipe up. So you'll be able to see here the preview. And for wipe down, we also have this one. So maybe I'm just going to use the fade in. All right, and then you can also adjust the delay and the duration of this animation. And of course, for the color of the animation, you can adjust that as well right here. After you're done customizing your background, so just tap on the done option. Now, right here, pressing or tapping these three horizontal lines, as you can see at the top left of our screen, you'll be able to see here the publish option. You can start over if you want to, if you want to change your background and page. Okay, so you'll be able to see here the settings for your page. And then the instruction section, the shortcut, the documentations, and if you would like to exit. Okay, so now let us add some elements. So adding an element, you just have to tap on this plus icon, and then you can add text, list, buttons, image, videos, links, audio, and more. So I'm just going to add a text. All right, and then I just have to type right here your text. So for example, welcome. All right, and then I just have to tap on the done option. So you can also go here to change the appearance of your text. So you change the color. Okay, I just want to make it more lighter. All right, and then for the font style, I'm going to use this one. Okay, and then after that, if you'd like to add an animation for your text. Okay, so after that, just tap on the done option and you'll be able to see here now your text. So if you want to move your text, you can just drag your text right here. And then if you'd like to customize your buttons, so just tap on this one, and then you'll be able to see here now your buttons. So for example, the label for this one, visit as for more info. Okay, and then click on done. And then for example, for your email, okay, so I'm just move this bit, and then make sure to put here your the URL of your website. So when someone press on this buttons, they will be directed to your site. Okay, and then after that, you just have to tap on the done option. And then of course you have to change the text that you can find here as well as this text. And then you can add your title as well. Okay, so to check our edits, so let us just preview. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So after that, you can now publish your site. Okay, so you just have to put your name, email, password, and then you just have to confirm your password so that you can create your account. Okay, so just add here all of the additional information in the required field section. So that's it for this video. If you think this would help you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.